so much stuff happening at work this week and so much stuff I need to do at home to get ready for Christmas, and it's a really busy week at work, so I'm trying to get to work early. I am on my way home after a long ass day at work. Alright, so I just ate and I really want to just lay down and relax, but I really need to figure out what my plan is for Vlogmas, because I haven't figured it out yet. If come up with some ideas of like videos I want to do. I have a few things to do this month. So like one of my friends is having like a pajama party this week. I got a trip coming up next week. Like we still need to do a bunch of stuff to the house. My daughter's birthday is coming. Like, so there's like stuff I can use for content, but like I need to like come up with a real layout, because between work and trying to keep up with videos and trying to post them on all my platforms, like it's just a lot. So like I need to be able to write everything down. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna work on some content ideas, and and then we have like a bunch of house stuff to get done. So like we have an electrician coming this week, so I really need to clean up my room a little bit. So I guess I'll do that before I lay down tonight, and that's gonna be about it. Yeah. So I am going to try my best to upload a video every single day for Vlogmas. But this honestly might end up being like a 12 days of Christmas situation. I got a lot of stuff to do this weekend. I'm very busy at work, so we will see how it goes. But make sure you guys are following me on all my social media platforms. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.